One of my favourite morning desserts is sticky date pudding. I'm going to show you a twist on the classic recipe using Earl Grey tea in these sticky fig and date puddings with butterscotch sauce. To get started, preheat the oven to 180 degrees, then grease and line 8 1-cup dariole moulds. I'm just going to put a little round of baking paper in the bottom of the moulds and that'll stop the cake from sticking. So grab a large heat-proof bowl and combine your figs, some dates and the Earl Grey tea bags with some boiling water. And then add some bicarb of soda. This is going to help soften the dates. Next up, we're going to put the butter and sugar in an electric mixer, and we're going to beat that until it's pale and creamy. Now I'm going to add the eggs one at a time. I like to crack them into a separate bowl before adding into the mix. That way, if you get any eggshell in there, you can remove it easily. Now the fig mixture's been soaking for 10 minutes. I'm going to remove the tea bags. And now I'm going to add the egg mixture and some flour and some cinnamon. I'm just going to stir that together until it's combined. All that's left to do is to spoon them into the moulds. So you want to divide the mixture as evenly as possible into the moulds so that they all cook at the same time. Pop them in the oven to bake for 30 minutes. While the puddings are baking, I'm going to make the butterscotch sauce. It's really simple. All you have to do is add sugar, some cream, and butter in a small saucepan over low heat. And you just want to melt the butter and make sure the sugar's dissolved. Give it a stir every now and then and keep cooking until the sauce has thickened slightly. Turn off the heat and set it aside until you're ready to serve. To test the puddings are cooked, grab a skewer and insert it into the centre. If it comes out clean, they're ready. Serving is so easy. Just turn the warm puddings out onto the serving plate and remove the paper. Let's drizzle the puddings with some butterscotch sauce and then we can add some whipped cream. These little puddings are pure comfort food and so easy to make. To make it even easier, make the puddings and sauce ahead and reheat them just before serving. For more baking recipes, check out our baking playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.